Hello everyone, welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun. Today I'd like to share with you how to make Chinese fried dough sticks. In China, we call it Youtiao. You is oil, tiao is like sticks. It's a traditional Chinese breakfast. You can eat it together with the porridge or soy milk. It's very crispy, crunchy outside and honey home shape inside. It's very delicious. It's very difficult to buy it in market, so you can make it in your kitchen. All the ingredients is here. It's very simple.